Good morning, students. Last class explanation of reported speech I explained here is next then active and passive voice is there. Active and passive voice is there. You know that is children. First one example here. I love the English Premier League. I love the English Premier League. English Premier, Premier, Premier League. Children, see that this example is here is subject I, the love verb, the English Premier League is completely object. So when you have to do from active to passive voice, first of all, you have to divide the sentence into subject, verb and object. S, V, O. S plus V plus O. So okay. Next, rule is here first. Object became, here is subject. That is object of active voice became subject of passive voice. Here is the heavy. Next is here is helping verb. That is here is be form. So followed by tense. Followed by tense. So helping verb or be form. So here is followed by tense. So if the tense is present tense, so I think you should write present tense helping verbs. If the tense is past tense, you should write past helping verbs. Okay, next is V3 past participle. V3 past participle. Fourth one by, that is here is a preposition. Fourth one preposition. Next, fifth one subject became, here is object. So these 5 rules. So you have to exchange from active to passive voice. So you should know how to change. The first rule is here object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice. Next, helping verb. Be forms should be based on the main verb is present simple, present tense. We should write present tense helping verbs. The main verb is here is past tense, so past simple or past tense. We should write here past tense helping verbs. If that is future tense is there, we should write his tense helping verbs. Next, V3, third verb. V3 means here cause, that is past participle. Conjugation of verb means past participle. Next, preposition by. Here we should write preposition by. Next one, last one is here is subject became object. Okay, children, here is object become subject means here is so the English Premier League. English Premier League means here football, that is especially famous football. Football league. Here is object became subject. So next one here is main verb. Second one is helping verb. So helping verb should write here is to look the main verb. Main verb means in which tense here is V1 or V2. So here is love V1. So what are helping verbs are there? V1 is present tense. So we should write helping verbs. Am, is, are. Am, is, are. So here the English Premier League is singular. So we should write here is. This based on here main verb. Next, object became subject. Next, helping verb is verb. What is the third rule? V3. That is past participle. Past participle means here loud, loud, loud. Loud, loud, loud. Here is loud. By. Here is by means we should write here by because it is doer of action. So by. Next here is object became subject. Similarly, subject became object. Here is fifth rule. So I became here me. So the English Premier League is loved by me. Is loved by me. So this is one. Next example here is children. For example, his classmates teased and bullied Nick. So see children, second example here is his classmate subject teased and bullied verb. Here is Nick is, here is object. So okay, object became subject. Nick here is. Okay, here is teased past tense. Ed or bullied. So it is past tense V2. This verb is here is, main verb is here is V2. So we should write here past tense of helping verbs. Past tense of helping verbs means here is Nick singular. So we should write here is was. Nick was. Teased and bullied means here is teased and bullied. It is same. So Nick was teased and bullied. Fourth one here is by his classmates. So what is the difference between first sentence and second sentence? First sentence is here is V1. The main verb is here V1. So we have right here is helping verb is. But here is second example. Here is teased or bullied. So these verbs show that it is in past tense, that is V2. So we have to write here is helping verb is here is was. Okay children. So these two examples are present simple and past simple. Next see some examples. The postman is delivering letters. Okay, children, the postman is delivering letters. Here is postman subject. Is delivering verb. Letters object. This is here is active voice. The postman is delivering letters. So here is object became subject. Here letters plural. What tense is the children? Do you know what tense? So here is the helping verb. Main verb is here ing. So it is a present continuous tense. So we should write object became subject. So here is letters. Letters means singular or plural? Plural. Here postman is singular. So we should write here is singular helping verb. But here letters plural. So that we should write plural helping verb. That means here is what tense is there? Present continuous tense. So R is there. We should write the same tense of helping verbs. So here is letters R. Okay. Next B form. Here main verb is ing form. Main verb is here is ing form. So that main verb is ing form. So that we should write here is being. So letters are being. B3 delivered by the postman. Now children, once again he will explain. Continuous tense. Last time present simple and past simple completed. Now this is present condition. How can you say it is present condition? Helping verb is and main verb is ing form. So this is present condition. So that we should write helping verbs also the same tense. Don't change the tense, especially from present tense to past tense in active and passive voice. Okay. So we should write that is as B forms, which is the same tense. Present tense is there. So letters are because plural. Why we should write being? Because main verb is here ing form. Being. Next V3 deliver. Deliver, delivered, delivered V3. By subject the postman. By the subject the postman. Okay children. For example here is past continuous how it is. She was teaching sub game, or she was teaching. Here is it. But here she was running an academy. Okay, see children, here is subject. She was running verb an academy object. What do you mean by academy? An institution of learning. Academy means an institute of learning. Okay, so academy. So but here is object became subject and academy. Here is children, subject singular, helping verb is singular. This is what tense? Do you know? Do you guess? It is past continuous tense. It is present continuous tense. Is ing. Was ing. Past continuous tense. So that we should write past continuous tense helping verbs. That is past helping verbs. So an academy is singular or plural? Singular because an academy was. Here is running. Running means here ing, B form. So we should write here is being. Okay. Next main verb is here is V3. Run, ran, run. Run, ran, run. R-U-N, R-A-N, R-U-N. R-U-N. Okay children. So that an academy was being run, R-U-N. Run, ran, run. Run, academy was being run by her. She became here her. Okay children. But one thing different children. What is it here is? This is here is letters plural letters are. But here is an academy is singular. So was. So here you have to check. Here object is here when we that is became subject. So we must write that is here helping verb singular or plural. If the helping verb is singular, then we should write here is singular subject, singular helping verb. So here is subject is plural. We should write plural helping verbs. Next perfect tense children. Okay, I explained present simple, past simple, and present continuous tense and past continuous tense. And next here is perfect tense in there children. He has visited different countries all over the world. See children this example here. He is subject, then verb has visited. Has visited verb. Different countries. Here is there all over the world particle for example. Okay. So here is subject, verb and object. So object became subject. Different countries. Different countries. Object became subject. Different countries. So here is singular subject, singular helping verb. But different countries is plural or singular? Plural. So that have. So here is B form have, has, had. We should write B form been. So that here is B form been. So next V3. Here is visited. Visit, visited, visited. V3 same. visited by him all over the world. Or else different countries have been visited all over the world by him also, right? Okay, children, in this way, I think you have, that is, practiced in your workbook. Okay, I think one thing you have to do, that is many examples in the same manner. By next class, I will explain next remaining, that is tenses will be there by next class. See, children.